truck.
Oh, man.
I'm not a girl guy. Dude, don't worry about it. Who will see? I don't care if it's a girl guy. It's their beacon. I want to see some. I don't care if it's man or girl. Yes, yes.
Oh my god.
Keep it. Yeah, leave it, dude. Yo. Hey, look at my sign. Yes, show me. Come on. He doesn't want to do it. Poor sport. He's laughing his ass off. Oh no, he loves it. His wife's loving it. His wife probably does it all the time. She's probably in fat chicks with party hats.
Who's playing a little bass there behind my back? Oh, it's my lead guy, Ryan. This is my awesome guy, Ryan. He wears his pants down to here. I saw the crack of his ass. It was really interesting. My name is Jody Wiener. Could you imagine if my mother named me Ophelia Wiener? These guys are very raunchy, and they wanted me to get raunchy for you. By a round of applause. Hey, dickhead over there. Dick, oh, I'm sorry, Dick. Head.
This is awesome.
How many guys, you have sex already, you guys? He was just telling me he sticks his penis and balls behind his back and he acts like a turkey. I don't know what the fuck that means. Because a guy with a skinny penis, it's like they're poking. You had an orgasm? No, I'm numb. Yo, mom? Okay, do me, buddy. See, you guys are fetuses. It's very difficult to do comedy for somebody I could have given birth to. We have an awesome band for you. These guys are so great, and their personalities are great. Their music is awesome, and their name is Chicago Typewriter. Please put it together for Chicago Typewriter.
We had a different drummer, and it was just me and Josh and Ben, and we were in a pop punk band, and I was like, we should make a hardcore band.
Basically, the band started as a joke.
Because me and Andrew weren't friends for like the longest time, like maybe a year. And then we got back to being friends, kind of like we got back together. And then I was like, dude, you gotta play drums in my band? And he came over, and we sucked, but we thought it was awesome.
There's basically only a few things that you need to know about our band. Josh, probably one of my best friends, you know, he's a cool guy, does a lot of great stuff.
Josh I consider a very, very mature man. He's most of the time the wallet of the band, which you gotta have. Like, I respect him for it. And he rules at singing, he rules at hyping people up.
He's good. And then you got Ryan. Fucking bag.
Kind of hot and cold with Ryan because he always sucks, but you gotta get used to it.
I could really go without ever seeing him again in my entire life.
Andrew's the only one I like all the time.
Hits the drums, hits them well. He does a lot of stuff. I don't do much, I just play some guitar.
Then you got Ben.
Then there's Chris. Yeah, no, Ben's great. Ben, for the longest time, he was the transportation, he was the practice room, he was the, you know, he's the guy who played the bass. And he did it well.
Ben is a moron, I hate him.
He'll probably change your tires someday, if you live in the area.
Then we just got Chris. Chris is working out well, he's in other bands around town, but mainly our band. He told me he likes ours better. The mosh, we get lots of different types of mosh. We get shitty mosh, really awesome mosh, but it's all appreciated. It's all good, just as long as people are having fun. Naked, falling on the tile floor. It's all good.
More kids need to bring the mosh at shows. City mosh is usually brought by, God, almost everyone in Plattsburgh and everywhere else we go. Basically, Teresa Taylor is the sickest mosh ever. Roll clip.
No, it's fine. He's so mad. Look at that finger.
You get that on tape, motherfucker? You think he's good?
You think he's mad?
He's not. I know him. You just gotta know him.
Basically, on the way home from shows, we stop at 40,000 fast food places, and it sucks dick. We'll go and we'll start at usually Taco Bell, or The Bell as Ryan will say it, and we'll venture on to the next place down the street, which is usually an Arby's, and then a McDonald's, and then a Burger King, and then usually a Wendy's at some point in the trip, and then a gas station so Ryan can grab a candy bar because he's a c***er. And once in a while I have to, you know, get in his face, put him in line. Because he went to every fast food place in Coopersville.
So?
Everyone. It was
That's
like,
why it was the funniest thing
I didn't
ever.
understand what the hell was going on. I just want to get
And then
home.
we just kept driving.
And then, like, I'm like, oh, Taco Bell, fine, we'll get a taco. And then Chrissy has to go to Burger King. 5 exits down. There was 5 Burger Kings prior that were right off the exit. We go 3 miles away.
They didn't have the spuds at
Shut
Taco
up.
Bell.
And?
We get there.
And?
We get there, we go to a Arby's. Because you have to eat again. And now we're probably going to go to McDonald's dollar menu because you're yeah, sure you were.
I got a Red Bull.
Put the smash in your face. I hate that. I want to go home. Ben can't drive with he drives for 10 minutes. Yes.
Then why drive?
Oh, 'cause he's probably still hungover from Friday. Ben can never, ever stay awake while driving. He'll go for about 20 minutes before he gets tired because he partied too much the night before. He was up late building sandcastles at the beach. And I'll usually drive 8 hours, 9 hours, and I don't get f***ing tired. Maybe it's his epilepsy, I don't know.
Alright guys, we love the mosh. Let me tell you what, we live for the mosh. But if you don't fucking kill each other, we'll be really nice here. This kid looks like he's got a broken nose. So fucking cool. We see one fucking fight, and it's fucking over. So, let me tell you what, let's not call open ways to see what we can do with that natural.
No. And then we go and we see this dead body out by Clinton Community.
Well,
Tell me about the dead body.
the thing about it was like a pair of pants and a pair of like a sweatshirt or like an upper torso
And there were probably-
garment, and there was in it stuff. So I'm assuming it was a body, and it was ripped in half.
And there were probably limbs in the ditch next to the road or something.
Like we drove by and we wanted to go back, but we really
We saw him like, Ryan's like,
I hit
oh,
the brakes.
what animal is that? And I was like, dude, that's a fucking body.